Effective home remedies for prickly heat. Heat rash or prickly heat is one of the most common problems experienced during summer months. It builds up due to hot and humid weather. Excessive sweating in the damp weather gives rise to bacterial infection that results in blisters and tiny red bumps on the skin. Heat rashes generally break out wherever sweat can accumulate, such as the waistline, forehead, and back. Children are vulnerable to these rashes because their sweat glands are not fully developed. The rashes can be severe and intensely itchy, with red pimples over the back, chest, and waist. Here are some easy home remedies that help ease itching and facilitate healing. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a popular treatment for prickly rash due to its anti-irritating, anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. It will have a soothing effect on the skin and give instant relief from inflammation and itching caused by prickly heat. Add 1 cup of finely ground oatmeal powder to a bathtub filled with cool water. Stir well until the water gets a milky color. Soak in this bath for 20 to 30 minutes. Pat dry your body with a soft towel. Sandalwood paste. Mix equal amounts of coriander and sandalwood powder with 2 or 3 tablespoons of rose water to make a paste. Smear over the affected area and let dry. Rinse with cold water and pat face dry. Lime juice. Lime juice contains powerful antioxidants that speed up the healing process. Squeeze fresh lime and mix it with some amount of water. To sweeten the taste, you may add a tablespoon of honey. Drink 3 to 4 glasses on a daily basis. Talcum powder. Apply herbal, unscented talcum powder after taking a bath. Talcum powder will absorb the extra moisture from the skin, protecting your body from prickly heat rash. Follow this process 3 to 4 times a day to get rid of itchiness and irritation. Chickpea flour for prickly heat. 2-3 tablespoons chickpea flour, water or rose water. Make a thick paste of chickpea flour using some water. Apply the paste onto the affected part and let it stand for about 15 minutes. Use cool water to wash off the paste. Apply this pack every day. Also called as gram flour, chickpea flour pack acts as a cleanser for the skin. It removes the impurities that are clogging the pores and also exfoliates the dead skin cells. This home remedy will provide relief from the itching and prickling sensation. Ginger. Ginger has been widely used because of its medicinal properties. It reduces the stinging sensation caused due to prickly heat because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Crush some fresh ginger root and allow it to boil in water. Once the water cools down, then wipe your skin with this solution using a soft cloth or sponge. Gram flour. Gram flour helps absorb extra moisture off your body, which in turn helps treat prickly heat. Also, it removes dead skin cells, opens up clogged pores and provides relief from inflammation. Add a little water to 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour to make a paste. Apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off with cold water. Do this once daily for about a week. Sugarcane juice. Yet another way for curing summer rash or prickly heat is consuming adequate amount of sugarcane juice, as it has cooling properties that assist in cooling human body. During scorching, moist weather conditions, drink at least 1 glass of sugarcane juice. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel or pulp to heat rash. Rub on face and leave on for 20 minutes. Repeat until rash has healed. Honey. Honey is famous for its antibacterial properties, and it has antioxidants that fasten up the healing process. Apply some natural honey directly onto your skin. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes and subsequently wash it off. Honey-based products are also used as sunscreen. Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth, also known as Humidity, is another popular home remedy for treating prickly heat. The medicinal properties of Fuller's Earth will lessen the irritation and reduce the inflammation as well as itching. Mix 5 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth with 2 or 3 tablespoons of rose water to make a thick paste. Apply the paste on the affected areas. Allow it to dry on its own, and then wash it off with cold water. Use this simple treatment once daily for a week. Baking soda. 2 tablespoons baking soda. A bowl of water, washcloth. Make a mild solution of baking soda with some cool water. Dip a clean, soft, washcloth in the solution and gently rub on the affected portions of the skin to heal prickly heat. Leave the solution for a couple of minutes before rinsing it off. Do this 1-2 times every day. The antibacterial properties of baking or cooking soda help in preventing infections at the site, while soothing the skin. Avoid sweating. Try to keep your body dry. Stay away from synthetic or tight clothes. Wear cotton clothes to keep your body free of sweat in a hot and moist environment. Do not to scratch the rash and keep skin clean to avoid infection. Ice cubes. Put some ice cubes in water. After a couple of minutes, wash the affected skin using this cool water. Instead, you may even rub ice cubes on your skin to get relief from prickling sensation. Shower or wash your skin frequently to get rid of prickly heat. Margosa leaves. Margosa leaves, also known as neem, have anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that can help control the symptoms of prickly heat like itching and inflammation. Grind a handful of fresh neem leaves into a paste. Apply the paste on the affected skin and allow it to dry on its own. Rinse it off with cool water. Follow this treatment once daily for a week. Alternatively, you can simmer a handful of neem leaves in 2 cups of water for 20 minutes. Strain the solution and allow it to cool. Soak a cotton cloth in the solution and place it over the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this 4 or 5 times daily for a week. You can also create a paste of 15 to 20 crushed neem leaves mixed with 1/2 cup of gram flour and a little water. Spread it on the affected area, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with cool water. Use it daily for a few days or about a week. Raw potato. This is one of the simplest remedies to ease the prickly sensation. Cut some medium-sized potatoes into a number of slices, and then rub them on the affected portions. You can also prepare potato poultice and apply it directly on a heat rash. Watermelon. Take some watermelon, deseed it and make a pulp. Apply the pulp on your heat rash for 15-20 minutes. Wash it off with plain water. You can also gulp down a glass of crushed watermelon to heal from within by hydrating your skin. Repeat this once every day. The coolness of the fruit soothes and refreshes the irritated skin. Watermelon also contains antioxidants that exert anti-aging effects on the skin. Cucumber. Cucumbers have a cooling effect that soothes and helps cool the affected skin. It can also give relief from itching. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Soak them for a few minutes in a bowl of cold water mixed with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Place the soaked cucumber slices on the affected areas for 10 minutes. Do these 3 times daily for a week. You can also rub cucumber pulp on the affected area. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash it off with cool water. This will cool the area and lessen the itching. Do this several times a day for a week to promote healing. As cucumber has high water content, also eat it daily to keep the body hydrated. Usually heat rash disappears within a week using these natural treatments. If you do not get relief within a week, or if some kind of skin infection develops, seek medical help. Gooseberry. Few Indian gooseberries. Water, earthen vessel. Halve a few Indian gooseberries and place them in an earthen vessel. Pour some water over the pieces and cover it. Let it stand overnight. The following morning, use the same water to mash the gooseberries. Strain, add honey and drink this. Drink this concoction every day for a week to facilitate fast healing. Indian gooseberry is filled with vitamins and vital nutrients. Eating them will strengthen your immune system to fight the prickly heat. Do's. Do not wear tight clothing that can irritate the skin. Sleep in the cool and well-ventilated area. Avoid using creams or oil that can block the skin's pores. Drink plenty of water, fresh fruit and vegetable juices, particularly of carrots, celery, cucumber, lettuce, beetroot, apples, in order to remain healthy and hydrated. You may also have buttermilk during the summer season. Drink coconut water on an empty stomach. When outside, try to stay in shaded areas. Take cool baths, if possible 2 or 3 times a day. Avoid exposure to excessive heat and humidity whenever possible. Don single quote yes. Avoid using harsh soaps during hot summer season. Don't use oil-based cosmetics. Don't overwork yourself. Limit consumption of spicy food, red wine and coffee as they worsen the condition. Thanks for watching. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.